boys and girls, this is Ms. McLean, and today I am here to help us with adding and subtracting using this math tool called the double 10 frame. And it's called a double 10 frame because we have the 10 frame here and a 10 frame here. So we're going to use this to help us add. So if I'm given the problem 5 plus 3. First of all, if you see just the equation written 5 plus 3 equals blank, try putting it into a story form. There are 5 frogs on the log. 3 more joined them. How many frogs are in all? That way, when we're counting and thinking about numbers and we're adding, we can think of pictures in our head. We can actually picture that log and those frogs already on it and then more coming to it. And it helps when we're drawing those pictures too. So if I have 5 frogs on a log. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, you can use any kind of counters. Today I'm using my daughter's Shopkin counters, but counters can be a small toy. It could be dry beans. It could be dry pasta noodles. It could be pennies. So anything you want for your counter, it can be anything you have at home. And so I'm choosing today to use her Shopkins. So if I have 5 frogs on a log and 3 more join them, I can count these. In the beginning, your mathematician is probably going to touch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If they are a better counter when they are touching, have them still do that 1-to-1 correspondent, that touching. Eventually, over time, we want them to see that this 5 is filled and there are 3 more. So I know that 5 and 3 more is 8. We can also move them up to fill the same frame. And I can say, well, I know that when this frame is filled, it equals 10. There's 2 less, so I know that there's 8. They could count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a way to use a 10 frame. Let's do a subtraction problem. There were 8 frogs on the log. 3 frogs hopped away. We can physically take them off and have them hop away. And that I could see that there are 5 left. I know when the top layer of my frame is filled, it is 5. If these are clear, they might arrange them differently. There are 2 dogs in the park. 6 more join. 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are in all? They might automatically see this is 6. Well, if I had 2 more, that would be 8. So this 10 frame is also teaching them the different sums to 10. This is something as first grade and second grade we want them to be fluent in. Second grade actually goes to fluency in 20. First grade is fluency to 10 with addition. So seeing this different combination, knowing that the 5 and 3 was 8, knowing that 6 and 2 is 8, you can make it different ways and they can see this on this double 10 frame. So we have 4 and 4 is 8. Seeing a different way to make 8 there. We want to work up from 1 to 10 to be able to find different combinations to 10. And then what's in between. And we also in second grade want to do that to 20. So if we had filled our 10 frame, and we're using this to put our things in so we can visually see this, we see that we have 10 filled. And so we want to get them away. Over time, we want to get them away from actually physically counting everything that they see. So if we know our 10 frame is filled, I know that's 10, and I have 7 more. 10 and 7 is 17. It's a way to build fluency. So you could have them make different combinations up to 10 and different combinations up to 20 when you are adding using the double 10 frame as a tool in what we call your math toolkit. Hope this helps with using the double 10 frame to add and subtract. Have a great day.